Hey, how's it going, Nate? It's Ronnie Rocksmith here, and we're going to go over these pop-ups, and I'm going to try and help you out, but I have some good news and some bad news. So the good news is I'm going to show you how to install these pop-ups, how to use them, how they work and whatnot. The bad news is they don't do what you want them to do. So what I'm going to do is I decided I'm going to go ahead and help you out. If you remember, and I know what you're trying to do here, you're trying to do like I did in the tutorial where you can, where they actually have a pop-up to come up on the page too, which gives them a double way to really click on your affiliate link. But within JackJacker Gold, if I open that right quick, you remember that it's the HTML that we need. But as right here, now most of these plugins are short codes. That now all of the pop-ups that people make these days use short codes because it's a lot quicker, and they don't provide the HTML code. So if you can find one on WordPress that does, I looked through several of them, and they all use short codes now, which is better, really, a better format, but it doesn't work with HTML in the JackJacker Gold. So what I wanted to do, or was going to do, am going to do for you, is if you go to, let me go ahead and go to my Profit Canvas page here. If you go and buy the product from me here, I usually sell this for $47, as I'll show you if I click on this link. So what I did to save you some money and get you the results that you're looking for here is using those HTML code way. I went ahead and created a code to knock $20 off of here, so you can get it for $27. All you have to do is type the code in here, which is Profit Canvas 20. As you can see, I tried this out before to make sure it was working. And as you can see there, it'll change it to $27, and just go ahead and check out with your PayPal emails here, both boxes. Okay, so that's what I did for you. If you wanted to get that, I'm going to leave you the link to this page in the email below, below this video link. So what we're going to do, so as you can see here, if you don't remember what Profit Canvas is, it builds websites. You can put video links in here. You can make video links for your pages. You can do pop-ups, of course, in here, and this is what you really want to do. Plus, you can make webinar pages. And in the vault here, you have this training. Now, this is Brett Roticki's product. He created it. I'm a reseller, authorized reseller to resell his product. I have the agency access, so I can charge whatever the hell I want, really. But in here is some great training, all kind of training you can use too. So for $27, I mean, this is a great, deal, because, I'm charging $47 to everybody else. But since you're a new customer and I really want to help you out, I went ahead and did that for you. So you got general training in here, internet marketing stuff, so how to build lists, squeeze pages. You got affiliate marketing training in here. You got some ranking training, how to rank your sites and stuff, product creation, and that's it. But this is a lot of training in here for 27 bucks. So, okay, so I did that for you. So like I said, the link will be under the video link in this email. Okay, so I'm going to go over these pop-ups since you don't know how they work. I'm going to show you how they work. We're going to do two examples here. A clickable version. This is just like an image that you can click on. This one's more or less, you can't click on it. It's just a text just to give them some kind of a message. Could be great for membership sites, whatever. They're logging in and you have some kind of special going on to upgrade, whatever. And of course, to build your email list. Now, this one only has like 5, but if you wanted to upgrade more templates here, all you do is click on this Add More Designs button, and it's like $29 to upgrade, and you get a bunch of other templates to use. So that's up to you. But let me go back here. So I'm going to show you one of each of these. I'm going to show you this one with the image, and I'm going to show you this one here. Actually, I'm just not even going to change this image because it's already formatted to the right size, but I'll show you how it works. This one's pretty easy. It says URL to your image, so this would be the image that you're using. I'm just going to leave it like it was for now, but you can choose an image to put in there. Of course, this would have to be uploaded to your servers already. Heck, let me just show you how it works. So if I go and upload a file here, Don't want it to be too big. I'm just going to choose something. Let's say I was doing, that's going to be a big file. Yep. These are all big files. So that's going to be too small. Let me try this one. Okay, I don't know how that's going to look, but here's the pop-up link. So this would actually be your, say your affiliate link or whatever. So you would want to use something on your image that has some text that would say like click here or get this now or something. I'm just going to put in my website. Okay, then you click on the next button. You're going to have some other settings. Okay, that looks okay. It's good enough. You can adjust the pop-up width here. There's some other changes with the height, but you have to upgrade anything with the little lock icon. You have to upgrade to that. So let me scroll down here. See, everything looks okay. You got a pop-up close link if you want that. You can have them redirect to another page if you wanted it once they click closed, which kind of would be sucky if I ever did that. I wouldn't want to be redirected. That would make me upset. So let me go here. Okay, we want to name our pop-up. I'll just put test 3. I think this is it by then. You have your pop-up animation right here. This is how it's going to enter. So I'm just going to do bounce. And the way it would exit when they click on the X button, I'll just put bounce again. And this is where you want it, the pop-up location. I usually like mine up here on the right-hand side of the top or on the bottom. So I'll just put top right. Where's top right? Right there. Okay, and that's it for that. Okay, the pop-up trigger, what you want, how you want to trigger it. They got exit and intent, timer, and active and after scroll. So just remember, if you have a page that doesn't have any scroll bars, don't use this one because it will never show up. Inactive, I guess if they're not doing anything with their mouse, it'll pop up. Timer, you can do a timer one. For this case, we'll do an exit intent. So as soon as they go to click the X button up here, it'll pop up. Okay, so we'll go ahead and save that. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, it doesn't give you the HTML, it gives you the pop-up code, short code here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to show you that this doesn't work, that I'm not trying to just get you to buy my product, because I know what you need to do, but I want to show you in here that if you put the short codes, it won't work. It has to be the HTML. So now if I go to view my page here, it should show up on the top right, but it's not going to. So if I go to exit out of here, as you can see, nothing. So yeah, that's why I did the half off for you on the Profit Canvas, so you can have that feature you're looking for. But let me show you. Let's see, I want to go back now. Okay, I still have the code in my pop-up. I'm going to show you this one, but I want to show you how the code looks on a test page. So let me go to my test pages here. And I did this previously to make sure everything was working, so I'm going to update that. Okay. And so now if I go to my X button, boom, there it comes. Okay, so that works good. Okay. So let me show you how to do the so I'm using Pop-Up Manager, and if you're not sure of how to, I'm sure you know how to find these, but just in case you don't, you go to plugins here. You want to go to add a new. go ahead and choose upload plugin. No, I'm sorry, we're not uploading here. We need to go here to the keywords. So we're looking for, go ahead and type in pop-up manager. This is the best one that I found. You can just choose pop-up if you want and see what they have in there, but this is the one right here. Pop-up manager, it'll be the first one. You'll see the little coffee and the laptop. So that's the one I have here. There's plenty of other ones you can try, but I'm pretty sure I tried a lot before. And they usually give you the short codes, not the HTML. If you find one with HTML, that's great. Okay, let's see. So let's go back to Pop-Up Manager, and I'll show you how to do like a subscription form to build your list here. Okay, so you're going to need the email form code. So I already went to my get response here. I chose the campaign that I wanted under forms, create a form. Then I'll click on the plain HTML because that's what the one that I want to make to get the code, and just choose the list that I wanted in. Choose just email here. I also chose custom thank you page here. As you can see here, I just click this and put in my link for my thank you page. Then I just copy this code and paste it in this box here. Then click next. Okay, so now I can change a few things. I can change the background. I can change the text. Just click in there, highlight it. Fill in the form below to get instant access. Subscribe now. Let's go ahead and change this to get free traffic. That's not something you should say, but you could say get my free traffic program or get my free traffic training, unless you want to give away some traffic. That's up to you. But let's see down here. So we could change the background image. I'm going to go ahead and choose this image here. So I've done this before. It looks good with the button color. So you would want to try and choose something to match the colors, you know. But you can also change the colors of the button in here. As you can see right here, background color, border color. Some of the features are locked, as you can see here. Alrighty, I think that's it for that section that we need to edit. Okay, so click on next. We're going to name this. And we want to animate the entry and exit again. So this time I want it to fade. Let's see, I want it to fade, not fade. Let's use the slide in. Slide in here. Slide down. And I want it to slide up to go back out. Slide up. Okay, the pop-up location, I'm going to put this one on the top right this time. And I'm going to do a timer this time. So this is how this works. These are in milliseconds. So the best thing, if I'm not really good at milliseconds to seconds myself. So what I did is I went to Google here and I typed in milliseconds to seconds, and it shows this little timer thing. So I typed in 8.0, which is 8 seconds. So it's showing me that it's 8,000 milliseconds. So I just copy that and paste that in here. And that should be it. So now we can click on Save Pop-Up. Okay, and we have the new short code here. Copy that. So let's go back to my pages here. And we'll use the same pop-up test page. And just paste in our new code. This could be at the top or the bottom. It doesn't really matter as long as it's in the inside here somewheres. Update that again to make sure. And let's check it out. So in 8 seconds, it should automatically pop in from the top. And there he goes. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, Nate, to show you a little bit of how pop-ups work and how you can install it and whatnot. And but like I said, yeah, I'm going to leave that link for you under the link to this video in the email, and I hope you enjoyed it.